Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with a tutorial on text classification using BERT in Python. BERT, Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is a powerful pre-trained language model developed by Google. It excels at various natural language processing, NLP, tasks, including text classification. We will use the popular Transformers library by Hugging Face to implement this. Make sure you have the library installed. Now, let's create a simple Python script for text classification using BERT. For this tutorial, I'll use the IMDb movie reviews dataset for sentiment analysis. This script provides a basic framework for text classification using BERT. Make sure to replace the dataset loading and pre-processing steps with your own if you're working on a different task. Adjust the parameters, such as batch size, learning rate, and the number of epochs, based on your specific requirements. ChatGPT.